Guys, breakfast tayo. So, this is my breakfast. Chocolate donut. May maliliit pa siyang chocolate. Napaka-crunchy niyan. Try natin. One more. Look at that. This one is coffee buns. This one, guys, is coffee buns. Very masarap din. Let's try. And this one is pika-pika lang. Ito yung masarap. Sarap na ito. Malilit na chocolate. Paka-crunchy. Sarap. Look at that. So, yan yung breakfast natin. And, syempre, hindi mawala yung ating milk. Here. Ito yung milk natin. Ang ating chocolate donut na napakasarap. Coffee buns. And the pika-pika. Ito crunchy din to. Super crunchy. Just partner naman siya nito. Ay, ang sarap niya. Ang sarap niya magka-partner to. Ito. Tsaka itong malilit na chocolate. Partner natin. Hala, ang sarap. Tapos para may milk. Partner natin ng milk. Sarap. That's it. Bye.